Let's make a Valentine Day card. Since we make it by our own and whatever we do makes this card so special. All you need is some watercolors, a card to make, and a permanent marker. This is going to be our design side, and here we're going to do the text. I'm going to just simply write love you. So after this, I have to allow this to dry for some time, and after drying we need to outline it with the marker pen. I've made another card, so I'll continue in this card the design, the outlining, and finish this card. All these arts, they don't need to be too perfect. Keep it like a scribble so that it is very natural, spontaneous, coming out of yourself, not as if something which is very regular, measured and calculated. If your love, which is spontaneous, comes out. This is my Valentine Day card. Thank you.